So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to charge your DJI Osmo 360. In order to charge it, you will need to open the door on the right side, right here. This is gonna be the first method of charging, because there's also a second one, but you'll learn about it in a moment. So the first one is opening this door by sliding the switch to the side and sliding the door down. If you have a problem with it, because it's not too easy to do it, because you need to slide the door down while holding the switch to the right side, you can do it with two fingers, right? One of them slides the switch to the side, then the other one slides this notch down so the door opens. Now we can find the USB-C port. I'll simply plug it in right now. I'll just find a brick and a cable. And now it is charging. You can see it is charging. It shows you the percentage and everything that it has to. Now let's go to the second method. The second method requires you to take the battery out, and you need to have a special charging dock for your battery. But it's extremely useful if you have multiple batteries. So you'll need to open this door for the battery. You open it the same exact way as the ones for charging. Take the battery out and get a dock for the battery, put the battery in the dock and charge it. If you have like more than one battery, then I said it's useful because it can charge multiple batteries at once, and then you can replace them once one dies, so you don't have to wait until the device charges. Just get another battery. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.